Morning, my dear students. Hope you people are very fit and fine. This is your maths period, and as you know that in maths we have completed chapter addition subtraction. Okay, so today through this video we are going to do the activity of this chapter. Okay, so open your maths classwork notebook and do this activity in your maths classwork notebook. First of all, mention the classwork date and write activity, and then what is activity? Add the given numbers by using leaves. Okay students, this activity is based on addition. Okay, today we will do one activity that is based on addition. So children, for this activity you will require a A4 size paper, okay, sketch pens and tape. You can also use glue, okay, for pasting, and two kinds of leaf that I have. Okay, two kinds of leaf. I have taken rose leaves and tulsi leaves. Okay, and a scale and a scissors. Okay, so these are some things that you will require in this activity. So now let's start the activity. Students, we have to add these two given numbers 23 plus 12 by using leaves. Students, now first you have to take a A4 size paper like this, and you will make the border lines. Okay, you have to make on this paper, okay, border lines like this with the help of scale. Okay, then now you have to put the lines, okay, on this. Okay, like this. Now one more line you have to draw here, like this. Okay, now one more line, then okay. Now I'm going to write addition here because this activity is based on addition. Okay, now students, you can see these boxes. Okay, these are boxes to mention the places. Students, we will do the addition of two digit numbers without regrouping. So here I have made the boxes to write the places. This is ones places and this is for tens place. Okay, children, make places for two numbers. We are going to add two digit number. Okay, two digit numbers here. Now let's write places in the boxes. Ones and tens, like this. Now what we have to do in this activity? Now we have to take in two kinds of small leaves. Okay, small sized leaves for this activity. Why are we taking small sized leaves? Because we are doing it in a small size paper, so the leaves should be small to paste it in it. Okay, you can see here I have taken tulsi leaves and rose leaves. Okay, for this activity. Students, remember, I have taken tulsi leaves for the ones place and rose leaves for the tens place. So now let's start pasting the leaves on this paper. Okay, here I have taken 23 plus 12. So now let's find out the answer by using leaves. Now I am going to add these two numbers. How to do it, children? Let's see. Okay, as you know, I have taken two kinds of leaves. Now we have to paste and show the numbers. Okay, children, I told you whenever we are adding numbers, we start from the right side. That means from the ones place. So now let's write the numbers first. Okay. So now in ones place we will paste 3 leaves of tulsi. Okay, because we have taken tulsi leaves for the ones place and 2 leaves in tens place. Okay, of rose leaves. Let's paste the leaves. Okay. Now you can see I have pasted 3 leaves of tulsi in ones place and 2 leaves of rose in the tens place. Now the next is we will paste 2 leaves of tulsi in the ones place and 1 leaf of tulsi in ones place and 2 leaves of rose in the tens place. So let's paste the leaves. Now students, here you can see I have pasted 2 leaves of tulsi and 1 rose leaves. Okay, because here in the ones place the digit is 2 and in the tens place the digit is 1. Okay, now we have pasted the leaves here 23 plus 12. Now add these numbers. You can see here are 3 leaves and here are 2 leaves. So 3 plus 2 is equal to how much? Yes, it is 5. So we will paste here 5 leaves of tulsi. Okay. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will paste these leaves in the ones place. Okay. Now in the tens place here are 2 leaves and here is 1 leaf. So 2 plus 1 is equal to how much? Yes, it is 3. So we will paste here 3 leaves. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Like this. Students, so our answer is 35. Yes, 35. Students, now you have seen how we can add two numbers by using leaves. Now you have to cut this square with the help of scissors. Okay, and then paste this square in your maths notebook. Okay, now I am going to cut it with the help of scissors. Okay, like this. Cut it very carefully. Now you can see I have cut this square with the help of scissors, and students, now I am going to paste it on my maths notebook. Okay, paste it. You can paste it with the help of tape, or now I have pasted it with the help of tape. You can use also glue, okay, to paste it. Students, now you have to complete this activity and be careful while pasting leaves. Okay, that you have to paste the correct number of leaves in its correct place. Okay, so that's all. I hope you all have understood that how you have to do this activity. Thank you and have a nice day.